Hello friends, in this video we will discuss genetics of ABO blood group system. We know that in humans there are four different type of blood groups in ABO blood group system, that is A blood group, B, AB and O. All these blood groups are controlled by three different alleles, that is IA, IB and small I naught. So in human population there is three alleles for ABO blood group system. So this allele, A allele, code for A blood group, this IB allele code for B blood group, and this small I naught allele code for O blood group. Out of these three alleles in a single human, in a human individual, only two alleles are present. It may be IA, or it may be IB, it may be IA, it may be IA and small I naught, it may be IB and small I naught, or it may be I naught or I naught. So a human individual can only have two alleles out of these three alleles. So these three alleles are example of multiple allelism. So out of these three alleles, this small I naught allele is recessive, means this allele is recessive to IA allele, and this allele is also recessive to IB allele. So this allele is recessive to both the allele, and when both these allele are present, IA and IB, these are codominant. So a person has blood group A have genotype either IAA or IA and small I naught. A person with blood group B have genotype IB, or IB and small I naught. A person with genotype AB blood group have allele IA and IB, and both allele will express itself. A person with blood group O have allele I naught and I naught. So this is genetics of blood group system. So this blood group is controlled by three different alleles, that is IA, IB and small I naught. This small I naught is recessive to IA and IB. When both of these are present, then they are codominant. So a person with blood group A either have IA, that is called homozygous dominant. If a person with blood group A, that is IA and small I naught, then it will be called heterozygous dominant. A person with blood group B either have IB, or it may have IB and small I note. So it is heterozygous dominant, it is homozygous dominant. A person with blood group AB have both IA and IB allele, and both of these allele are expressing. So here it is codominant. Blood group O have two allele, that is small I note and small I note. So these are homozygous recessive. So there are three allele in a population. These three alleles are not present in a single individual human being. These alleles are found in a population. A single individual can have two alleles out of these three alleles. It may have a copy of IA, it may have IB, it may have IA and IB, it may have IA and small I note, or it may have IB and small I note, or it may have both small I note. So out of three allele, a single individual can have two allele. So a person with blood group A will have IA, or it may have IA, I note. A person with blood group B have IB, or IB and small I note. A person with blood group AB have IA and IB. Both are present and both are codominant. A person with blood group O have I note, small I note and small I note, that is called homozygous recessive.